evening everyone. So today, ipawitness na po ako ninyo ang akong income transition. Sige, so let's go. 11:04. Yan. May 4 Saturday. Ang akong income is 7,210. So let's see kung pila ang iyang tubo. Congratulations! Registration successful! May bago na naman tayong natulungan. Dahil dyan, let's check our income. Time check, it's 11:16. So, magkano na ngayon ang ating income? Ayan, loading lang siya, guys. Kanina, 7,000. Ngayon, nag-8,000 na. Pero, that's not the real. The real... Ayan! It's 15,000